Anthony Edwards is a great player due to his combination of elite athleticism, a versatile offensive skill set including driving and shooting, and a significant defensive impact, along with a strong competitive mindset and leadership qualities. His ability to dominate in both scoring and defense, combined with his powerful physique and confidence, allows him to perform at a high level and make a major impact on the Timberwolves' success. Offensive prowess. Elite athleticism. Edwards possesses incredible speed, quickness, and leaping ability, allowing him to drive to the basket explosively and execute powerful dunks. Scoring versatility. He is a dynamic scorer with an array of moves, including advanced footwork like PZs and Euro steps, and can also stop on a dime for pull-up jump shots and even make threes off the dribble. Gravity. His dangerous offensive threat draws a lot of defensive attention, gravity, which opens up opportunities for his teammates and makes his team's offense more efficient. Defensive impact. Physical tools and discipline. Edwards has the physical tools and mental focus to be a lockdown defender on elite wings and guards, disrupting opponents' offenses. Disruptive play. He averages a high number of deflections, making him a disruptive force on defense and improving his team's defensive performance when he's on the floor. Mental game and leadership. Confidence and swagger. Edwards plays with immense confidence and a fierce intent to outplay his opponents, which translates into spectacular performances and leadership. Developing leader. He has grown into a vocal leader who credits his teammates, showing a commitment to the team's success over personal statistics. Overall impact. Two-way dominance. He is a rare two-way player who can dominate on both ends of the court, a quality that makes him one of the most impactful players in the league.